Hello guys, how are you doing today? Today I'm going to show you how to quickly create emails on CPANEL. For those who don't know how to do it, I mean, it's quite simple. We're going to do a quick one right now. So what you need to do is if you have a CPANEL account, that is actually your hosting account where you have your domain name hosted. All right, so what we need to do is to log into the CPANEL with your username and your password. So I've logged into my own cPanel from here, so we're just going to run through quickly. It's quite simple. So this is your cPanel. This is what it looks like. You have the exclusive, if you're using Namecheap, you're probably going to have something like this. You have different sections, right? So what we're going to be dealing with right now is the email section. So you scroll down to the email section. If you have a cPanel, it's definitely going to look something like, so you have an email section. Once you get that, this is the email section. Click on email accounts. All right, quite simple. It opens up to where you have all of your emails, the ones that you've already set up. If it's a fresh cPanel account, you definitely will not have any emails. The only one you're going to have is the one they call the default, this very one, the default email, right? All right, so to create an email, so all you need to do is come here, click on create. All right, so it brings you to something like this. All right, if you have multiple domains, all right, on the same cPanel, you're going to have the options, right, just like I do. All right, but okay, if you're using your default email, so you leave it at that and choose the name that you want to use. Like, let's say you want to create support. You want to create support. Quite simple. So once that is done, it gives you the option of setting your password now or send login details. You send the login link to alternate email address. So if you want to, for the cPanel to send a link to an email where you can now click it to impute a password, but if you want to set the password now, you go ahead and do that. So I just want to set the password here, so it's okay. All right, so I'm just going to do that. All right, so it's going to read. It's going to give you a password kind of strength. So this password has strength of 70, which meets or exceeds the system requirement. So it meets the system requirement of 50. It differs from cPanel to cPanel. Some cPanel has about a strength of 70, 80, and all of that, but this is fine. So once that is done, all you need to do is click on create. But if you want to stay on this very page after creating it, maybe you want to create multiple emails, you want to create other emails, all right, so you have to click this, check this to stay on this page after I click create. But if you don't want to, let's say you want to create just one email and move on, you click on create. Okay, so it's creating the email and it is done. So you see success, you created this email. So what you need to do at this point is check out the email that you created, which is this one, and you can manage it. You can check the email, the default email box, by clicking on this. It takes you to the email box, all right, that you just created. Or you can manage it here by doing a couple of stuff on it, and that's a bit really. And if you want to connect to like your phone, or you want to set it up somewhere, you click on connect devices. I think this is blocking it. So you click on connect devices. All right, so this is where you can actually have the settings to set it up on your phone or any email clients of your choice. So you can see it's very simple to create an email on your cPanel, guys. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with people who you feel should see it, and of course subscribe to this channel. All right, thank you so much that you do so. I'm going to bring you more tutorials on how to do stuff on cPanel and WordPress as a WordPress expert that I am. Bye for now.